час, по горло вашей властью я ухожу.
На сердце боль, взгляд смотрит в небо, ждет ответа.
Hey there, guys. I was really thinking, we have a lot of German and Japanese cars around here. What do we lack? V8s, baby. Oh yeah. Basically, in today's video, I tear apart this V8. It's a 5.3 out of a Tahoe. This build, I don't want it to be too over the top because I want people to be able to like relate to it and not spend 40,000 on an engine. Not even 40,000. More than like what? 5, 6, 7 grand to build it. I want to keep this more of like a junkyard build, but not fully clapped out, you know? So I'm going to do nice parts, but I'm also going to reuse whatever I can to actually be able to push out the power normally. This LS, big plans for it, but that's for future. This is David, our main LS guy.
Shit, we're gonna get this thing running. Oh, she's gonna pop off. It's time to push it, boss.
Can't put it into neutral.
This thing's cooked, dude. It's a little crusty, but she'll work.
Yeah, we'll make it work, right?
Yeah.
What have you built?
Fast cars. But
Like,
not as fast as this one.
Oh yeah, you just wait.
This one's This one's gonna be blowing dips.
Oh yeah. We about to do some red. Oh shoot.
What?
All right.
Back up. Back up. Go for it. I think you almost got it. There you go. Let's go. Keep going. Holy fuck. This thing has no brakes. Yeah, right. I just don't want to be out here and the strap hits me. But go ahead. Oh, he got it with the 318. All right, that's good. We can squeeze in there now.
Back in the photo with angry Oleg looking at the camera lens.
Yeah, Oleg was even angry.
Oh, he brought back up, bro. Are you serious? Got my redneck friend Dave over here. We about to be shitting eagles.
Working for free, you know, slaved out.
Hey, shitting eagles, bro.
Bald eagles.
Bald eagles, bro. Red, white, and blue. Streak lines in the panties, you feel me? Right? I'm talking about in it. It's going right on the YouTube too.
That was bad.
So we pulled out all the clips and nitwits and stuff, right? Now we're putting them on the other side, and then
The clips are just
yeah, these clips are weird,
Anally.
but anal.
What's the need to?
They're deflating. They're deflating.
Anything you want, Dave. These wheels are crap anyway.
That's a little sus. How am I gonna go in there? I got on that side. Is it
Right?
10?
How is it
It's an 8.
lopsided?
What happened?
Manifold's coming off already.
Sexy.
Oh yeah. Just throw it in the trunk right away.
Trunk it.
Okay.
Trunk right away?
Yeah. Trunk is open, so. How prepped are we? On a scale of 1 to 10.
Good for tomorrow.
Good for tomorrow?
No, prior.
The grill is gone. David's knee broke. Yeah.
Follow it and just unplug it.
Yeah.
Why do they make it like that?
Is this a lucrative wire? It's not even, it's a clip. Yo, somebody give me a flathead.
Shaz. That's what I gave you, but.
I'm not a shower. I'm a grower. She's out and about.
Oh, yeah.
Is it my fault that I'm doing the labor, bro, and then getting up? And then...
The whole damn thing just went down, brother. Oh. We got some good progress done today. Should be coming out tomorrow. Beast. 2 days later. Decided that it's gonna be easier without all this extra stuff in the way. So I just got rid of it, and now I'm just pulling off this whole front end, and then so we can get the bobcat underneath and it'll be easier to pull it out. As you guys can see, the whole front end is gone. Time to take off headers, water pump, and thing we cut yesterday. But yeah, progress is going. Maybe I'll get the headers off today. I don't know. It's super hot. Sun's burning, but attempting. All right, turns out I'm missing a bolt still down here, but I don't even know how to get down there. So, falling out of place. Like these hoes. Always be going out their way to mess some stuff up. Oh my God. I've made my way to underneath the car to loosen up the bell housing bolts, and I am not understanding how I'm supposed to do this. Look at this grass.
Stupid harness.
Oh yeah, the wiring harness. Oh shoot. Yes, sir.
You don't need that. Actually, you're gonna reuse it. Budget bill, huh?
Did some mining offline. Headers are out. Okay. Connected. Now we just got to get the motor mounts and then put it on the hoist, pull it out, put it on the engine stand. Dude, bringing out the big guns, eh?
Yeah, the Milwaukee Special.
Thought you said snap on his king.
It is, but snap. Snap when he makes big guns like this.
Big guns.
What is over here? I'll put that tip on there. It's a swivel.
Got you, baby. Hold on. Hold on. You can't push it in when it's not on. What the? Oh, yeah. Okay. You're almost on. Almost. You got it. There it is. Может быть.
Pretty sure you gotta take the knock sensors off too.
This middle ones?
I was sure took the hood off.
I think I've heard him maybe a couple times. Wiring harness.
Beautiful. She's coming out.
Pump up the tire.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. She's closer than she's ever been. I smell a whole bunch of coolant on the floor.
Don't let the DNR see this. Or the EPA.
Got the engine stand ready. We're about to put that hole on there. Let's go.
That's why I'm around here, you know, faggot.
Bro, this is heavy. These oil cans are not light, bro.
It's aluminum, boss.
Lower it. Oh, yeah.
See a little gunky, boss.
That's fact.
Wait, why did we take the oil pan off?
Thing is sick. Railroad truck.
Let's butt it up. It's fine. Everybody it?
Uh-oh.
Damn, that's a 13, I guess. They sure hold.
You think? Yeah. Setting the jump for success. Is it like pulling a black girl's weave?
Come on, dude.
You know about that? What's up?
Zero of no electronics that are running back there.
Oh,
All alone.
we got that
Oh,
right.
don't
We can
need
fix
those.
it.
Yeah, this side we unplugged. Good. Okay, almost good. There we go. Do we need it?
Walking a dog, baby.
She gave birth. We got the umbrella.
Umbilical cord out that hole too. Oh shoot.
We'll see what we need from there.
Perfect.
Bring the
It's actually.
another friend join us, Philip. He drives our cord. About to be popping off this first head. Get it ready for cleaning. I love this technique. It's already a late night. Look at that moon. Beautiful. Little 3:35.
This is your test. You're hired.
You're hired, Philip. Ain't looking too bad, brother. Holy
Should we crank it a little?
You will have to.
Yeah.
got the butthole open.
Here, get a whatever size that is.
I'm unscrewing these 15s, brother.
Size
Do suspension right now, or wait till the engine's in, and then. Oh yeah.
Put that one on there. Might grab this side. Just
He did what in his cup? Only got one out. All the other ones are being pain in the ass. Like, they like move. Like this one fully moves if I put up.
fuck up my tool right now.
They're trying to. Oh, they being stubborn. Wow. Sensational. Хватит. Сейчас будет tuggy. Happy endings. Excellent. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Honka, baby, what's up? Since we got that John out, we are going to attempt to knock out these lifters. Damn, my phone's nasty. The ones that weren't coming out, that were being stubborn. I'm gonna do that right now. Bad anyways. I don't know what angle is gonna be the best, but I already stopped prodding them out, so I'm just gonna set it up right here. Should be good enough for y'all. Alright, boss. All 4 lifters are out. They're probably bad anyways, because if they weren't, they wouldn't be stuck like that. Now, crank. Loki, I have no idea what I'm doing. I was just more focused on the lifters. Now he's gotta. Shit, beats me. Beats me, brother. So the. Anyways, about to pull the crank. Got everything laid out beautifully. Got it butt bone booty naked. Time to start degreasing and power washing it down. Alright everyone, there's a lot of noise going on in the shop right now, so I just want to show you what I got. I might just do a voiceover over the video because like the loud noises, but this is the oil. Смотри, какую новую принес Давидка. This is the oil pan. This is the new one. Just gotta put in the oil or whatever. The new oil plate and gasket, and then just gotta spray the block down. We got the hone tool, we got the cam bearing puller, and then the lube. This is how it sits. This is how the video is gonna end. I have all the stuff ready. Ordered all the parts. They're gonna come in and then I'm gonna do a prepping video on this bad boy.